to have our dignitaries. Ladies and gentlemen, I request you all to please stand by. Give a thunderous applauses to welcome the Chief Mentor and Director of our school, Honorable Pramod Kumar Bansal sir. Ladies and gentlemen, a thunderous clapping.
Can we have a standing ovation, please? Request everybody to please stand up and welcome our Chief Mentor and Director, Honorable Pramod Kumar Bansal sir, as he moves into the sporting arena.
We have with us the Director of our school, Dr. Richard Bansal. Please put your hands together to welcome Dr. Richard Bansal, the Director of the school. We also have with us Sir Gaurav Bansal, the Director of our school, the Principal Mentor, Sir Gyan Gautam, Ma'am Savita Tripathi, the Principal of our school. Sports eliminates the team spirit. So ladies and gentlemen, we are soon going to witness the competitive spirit reaching the greater heights. Happy cheers! The event I'm talking about is, put your hands together ladies and gentlemen. Really great to see you all. And cheers. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a matter of great pride and pleasure that today we have with us our Chief Mentor and Director, Honorable Pramod Kumar Bansal sir. Thunderous applauses. Please give a thunderous applauses while we extend a warm welcome to a very young and dynamic leader, the Director of our school, Sir Gaurav Bansal. Amidst huge round of applauses, may I request Sir Anurag Singh Hada to offer our Director a floral welcome amidst huge cheers. Please put your hands together. A very, very warm welcome to all the dignified dignitaries. I take this opportunity. Please put your hands together. As I request Sir Gyan Gautam, our Prince, huge cheers. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome we are extending to our Honorable Sir. Bansal, please give a thunderous applauses as I request the Principal of our school, Ma'am Savita Tripathi, to offer our Honorable Director, Ma'am, a floral welcome amidst huge cheers. Ladies and gentlemen, cheers please.
Can we have a huge round of applauses as we welcome our dignitaries whose blessings have made.
Please give a thunderous applauses while we extend a warm welcome to a very young and dynamic leader, the Director of our school, Sir Gaurav Bansal. Amidst huge round of applauses, may I request Sir Anurag Singh Hada to offer our Director a floral welcome amidst huge cheers. Please put your hands together. A very, very warm welcome at Bansal Public Schools Annual Sports Day 2024-25. A huge cheers. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Your presence really meant a lot for every one of us. A heartfelt gratitude toward our beautiful audience. Clapping for yourself, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for being with us. Indeed a pleasure to host you all from Bansal Public School side. as we have gathered here today to celebrate the spirit of sportsmanship and camaraderie, we begin this occasion with the traditional lamp lighting ceremony. May I request the Chief Mentor and Director of our school, Honorable Pramod Kumar Bansal sir, along with the other present dignitaries to kindly proceed for the traditional and auspicious lamp lighting ceremony. Dear audience, this ceremony symbolizes the ignition of the spark within each of us to strive for excellence, perseverance and teamwork.
बुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम् सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्राश्च गतिं स्वच्छां मे सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् यस्य तिष्ठे गृहे दीपः तस्य नास्तं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम्.
Light of this lamp inspire us all to reach the new heights, to push beyond our limits and to shine brighter than before.
Gaju.
Our contingent of leaders, Tarun Bhola and Akshita Singh Solanki, the head boy and head girl of our school, followed by the four representatives of our four houses who have been engaged beautifully in various kind of teamwork, followed by bearing the flags of their respective disciplines. Please, amidst huge round of cheers, along with the dignitaries, to kindly do the honors of handing over the flags. May I invite Master Tarun Bhola, who will receive Honorable Sir. Please put your hands together. May the school name shine ever high. Full of our school amidst huge clapping. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, you receiving the school flag, Akshita Singh Solanki. Patidar. Please put your hands together. Captain Master Arush Sharma. Now Yellow House flag is being received by Vice Captain of the Yellow House, Master Arush Sharma. Welcoming the Blue House Vice Captain, Cadet Ms. Gyana Vijayavargiya, who will be receiving Blue House flag. Give a huge round of applause as Blue House flag being received by Cadet. Please put your hands together as I invite Scout Master Sayang Jain. Thank you, dignitaries, for doing the honors. Office bearers have received discipline, sportsmanship, their endeavors always make us feel proud. It calls for trust has arrived. Our talented students are now all set to showcase their discipline, teamwork and school spirit. Please put your hands together as our students proudly marching past, displaying their unity and pride. Throughout the session signifies unity, coordination, teamwork that define our school spirit. Here the students marching past in front of you. Please put your hands together. Ladies and gentlemen, Chaudhary. We have with us head boy and head girl. Head girl Miss Akshita Solanki. Head boy Master Tarun Bola. Tarun Bola holding the school logo board and Miss Akshita Solanki holding the school flag. Followed by Corporal Khyatija carrying the NCC flag. The contingents are marching past in the following order. NCC parade led by Captain Cadet Siddhika Patidar. Yellow House Vice Captain Master Arush Sharma holding the Yellow House flag. Please give a thunderous applause. Now we have with us Blue House Vice Captain Cadet Gyana Vijayavargiya. Green House carrying his flag is Master Sayang Jain. Displaying the school's discipline. The motto, grow beyond academic excellence, very well portrayed in their march past. Marching past parade by the students of our school. It showcases the discipline and dedication with which they all have been disposing of their duties throughout the session. Signifies the unity, coordination, teamwork that defines our school spirit. Saluting the chief mentor and director of the school, Honorable Pramod Kumar Bansal sir, along with the other present dignitaries. They are receiving the salute. The contingents are slowly, gracefully moving ahead.
Thank you for this beautiful march past, a symbol of elegance and discipline. And I request all the audiences to give a huge round of applause for this marching contingent. From one tradition to another, after the necessary protocol of welcoming and honoring our chief guests, it's time to move on with another tradition. Since ancient times, fire has symbolized peace, friendship, and the connection when we celebrate this BPS Sports Day. We would like to maintain this tradition. And now, I would invite our student athletes to come forward and receive the torch from our chief guest. Once they receive the torch, our star athletes will complete a lap with the torch. And today, the honor of running with this torch has been achieved by our star student athletes, Ritika Jamnani and Pratul Gaur. Give a big round of applause for these two star athletes of Bansal Public School. It's not so easy to earn this honor of holding this flame. And she'll complete half a lap of this track. Let me tell you about Ritika Jamnani. Her badminton journey began in 2022 with a win at the SCFI Under-14 district tournament, which led to her selection in the Rajasthan state team. In 2023, she won 2 gold medals and silver medals at district level, and in 2024, she keeps her tally. And now she has rolled down to other star player of BPS, Pratul Gaur. Pratul started playing tennis at the age of 7. His passion and dedication for the sport made him won several tournaments at the district level, state level, and even national level. He has participated and won several prizes in the All India Tennis Federation. His rank not just with words but with actions. May I request our chief guest for today, the Bansal Public School Director and Chief Mentor, Honorable Pramod Kumar Bansal sir, to garland them, getting garlanded a long way in shaping display of grace and elegance by these two stars, and this flame will keep lighting as we to participate with integrity, fair play and respect for everyone. May I request all the participants
of Bansal Public School fairly and abide by the rules of the game. We'll give our best effort in every event, striving for excellence while embracing teamwork. with pride and passion.
Towards the flag post and place the yellow house flag at its designated spot. And now it's time perfect to invite Vice Captain of the Blue House, Cadet Kaila Vijayvargi, to march ahead and place their house flag at the right spot. The fourth house in the school is a greenhouse. I request Master Maulik Chittora, the Vice Captain of Greenhouse, to move forward and place their house flag on the flag post. Now it's time to invite Master Maulik Chittora, the Vice Captain of Greenhouse, as he marches towards the flag post to place the greenhouse flag at its right spot. Khyati Jha to march ahead with confidence and place the NCC flag on its designated spot on the flag post. And finally, it's time for the Scouts flag to adorn the flag post. For this, I would request Sanyam Jain to take confident steps towards the dais and place the Scouts flag on its designated spot. Thank you. Now, after placing the flags, I would request all the flag bearers to move back and return to their respective contingents, so that we can move on to the main agenda for today, the sporting event.
That throughout the year, these students remarkably shown their brilliance. They work all together, showcase their disciplined way of working. Our school pride, our NCC students, the contingents of 4 houses, led by their captain and vice captain. On the top of it are head boy of the school, Master Tarun Bhola, holding the school logo board, and Miss Akshita Singh Solanki, the head girl of the school, followed by. It is our honor to request our Chief Mentor and Director, Honorable Pramod Kumar Bansal sir, along with the other present dignitaries, to kindly proceed for unveiling the name of our annual sports day. A huge clapping. Please put your hands together. Our dignified dignitaries are now proceeding to reveal out the name of Bansal Public School Sports Day, annual sports day that calls for immense enthusiasm. Here we go. We have with us the dignified dignitaries. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. umang, enthusiasm. That's what. See the beautiful balloon all flying above in the sky. Our drones capturing the moment. Yes. Name that dead body and
Give me freedom, give me fire,
please put your hands together.
take me higher. See the champion, we take the field down. Unify us, make us feel proud. The streets are hands are lifted, and we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation, all around us. Forever young.
See the
As we coin this pose as Umang, you can see Umang all over the ground and even in the sky. A larger than life display of excitement with pyros going up, drones showering petals and balloons soaring higher and higher in the sky.
Celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation.
Drones showering petals and balloons soaring higher and higher in the sky.
See the drones capturing the moment of our excitement. The name which we have unveiled, the pharaoh.
Flower petals coming from the sky.
Look at the sky, so wonderful.
See the
My, it's beautiful. The buttons all over.
A larger than life display of Umang all over the ground.
All filled with Umang really thrill, excitement that has filled our auditorium.
And now it's time for the dogs. These dogs,
What a festive atmosphere. Wonderful. The audience look here. 1, 2, and here we go.
आगे से हट जाना पहले सब है ना
Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. See the high flight with the pigeons going to take off in the sky.
Picho.
Beautiful and momentous moment indeed. Here we go. Ready? Please look here. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah.
dogs have been symbol of freedom.
With us to see the excitement. They are not ready to fly away. Have you ever seen their audience? Such a pleasant sight.
And what a strange coincidence, these are 7 pigeons. Who knows? These are the Saptarishis who are gracing this occasion with their blessings. These 7 pigeons, the spirits of 7, the Saptarishis.
Please, yes. Huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. What a beautiful.
And together at the end of the day, we all say when I get older, I will be stronger. Look on me,
All raised in one.
we all say when I get older, I will be stronger. Look on me, freedom, just like the wind. When I get older, I will be stronger. Look on me,
All raised in birth and beauty, happiness all around.
flag, and wave your flag.
Thank you, dignified dignitaries, for doing the honors. Umang, this is the name for our annual sports day. Lot of enthusiasm, excitement, that is what. Born of this institution, the mentor of charismatic distinction, the man who needs no introduction as he has proven his mettle in making Bansal a hallmark in the world of education. Ladies and gentlemen, it calls for a huge round of applause. A name,
Very good morning to all of you. I think there is nothing better than this would be possible to have such a wonderful opening of any annual sports day like this. Anyway, we have several of surprises ahead. Respected Gyan sir, entire BPS fraternity, fortunate parents, grandparents, distinguished guests, and my dear students. It is my proud privilege to be the integral part of Umang 2025, the annual sports day. A day of extreme happiness, joy, and proud for all of us, as today BPS is celebrating hard work, dedication, temperament, perseverance, and discipline. Not this time in the classroom or auditorium, rather it is here on this playground. Role in our life, it not only gives us resilience and good health, rather it also teaches us how to put the right effort in right direction and right time so as to achieve the stipulated target or goal. As always, I keep telling my students that BPS is a place where you get education for life, where the sports are as important as academics. If academics is important for mental development, then the sports are important for physical development. It also teaches us the sportsman spirit and the team spirit, which is very essential for humanity and entire humankind. I remember a very famous Indian hockey team player, K.D. Singh Babu, 2 times Olympic gold medalist, while he was captain and vice captain, said that playground not only gives good health, it gives us good human being. I think on this auspicious morning, one thing I will definitely or very strongly advise to all the students or to even all the elders, that as we supplement our diet with a glass of milk and little fruits every day, I strongly recommend that we should supplement our day while playing at least 45 minutes to 1 hour outdoor sports every day. I do not mean that sports or games that you sit in front of the TV or in front of the mobile or keeping the mobile in your hand and just kill your time. I mean that you come out of the house and play something outdoor. I will definitely say that we should, our children should be good academically. If academics you want good, as I said, then I will definitely say that only and only a brilliant or a good or healthy brain can stay in a healthy body, or it needs a healthy body. And healthy body comes from the outdoor sports, until unless some physical activities are required. At the age of these students, I do not recommend personally any kind of gymming, but what I recommend that you should definitely spare some time in the evening for any outdoor sports. That is a must for each and every student, and because it will nourish your entire body, it will nourish all your organs, which will be synchronizing all your brain, heart, etc., to keep you fit, to keep you energetic, to keep you, receptive, whatever being taught in the class or thereafter. Now, without taking much of the time, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to all the teachers, the administrative staff, the support staff, the PTIs, sports teachers, and very specifically all the students, those who have worked day and night to make this mega event possible. And a very special thanks to all the parents sitting here for their unwavering support, encouraging their children to participate in both inside and outside classroom activities. Finally, I would say that winning is important. That is for sure. The winning is important, but more important is participation. So all the very best to all the participants with a small piece of advice that do not take the pressure, take the pleasure and go ahead. The field is here, the field is yours and the sky is the limit. Needless to say that on this ground, I promise that either you will get the jeet or you will get the seek. No defeat. So all the very best to you. Good luck once again. Let the event be continued. Thank you.
Please put your hands together. Don't not the pressure. BPS that calls for education for life. Playground means health as well as to make good human beings. This is
And here they start. So, the Formula 1 race, and there's already we have a leader with us.
oh
Great.
my God.
Wow.
See this race.
And the clear winner. And wow. That was a photo finish for the इंजन में कचरा आ गया. The names I want everyone to cheer goes to Nimesh Parihar. Big applause for Nimesh. The second position goes to Urvi Khandelwal. Big clap for Urvi. And
The student's name from girls, Shiviksha Singh, Amira Vithi, Adya Nandwana, Janisha Rahuja, Ritvika Jagir, Drishti Yadav, Tanishka Dhakar, Avni Sharma. From boys we have Vidhan Vashisht, Garvit Meena, Dev Kumar, Advik Dhakar, Krishev Yadav. Please put your hands.
now for a very special race, Rabbit in the Burrow, where you will see our nursery students hopping like rabbits, eating carrots.
Going to display.
नन्हे नन्हे खरगोश तैयार भाग चुके हैं.
Yes.
गाजर गाजर
ऑटो भैया ऑटो.
Hopping into the fun with our nursery students.
मेरी गाजर को
Step up in the grounds. The photographs will be provided to you. I request the
नन्हे
parents.
नन्हे खरगोश. Big cute rabbits.
Here we go. The race. Hopping and carrying the carrot with them. The bunnies, the little bunnies. thunderous clappings for the students who have displayed disciplined way of doing PT. The class 1 to 4th student who have participated in this PT drill calls for your kudos and applauses. Very well done indeed. The PT drill.
You're a soldier, choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you go get up, oh, if you go get up, hey, cause this is Africa. It's time for Africa. It's time for Africa. It's time for Africa.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. Put a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. Put a bang bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby.
Just you
Baby,
and
I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I don't need no money, as long as I can feel good. I don't need no money, as long as I can dance. Come on, turn the radio on. It's Saturday and I won't be long. Gotta paint my nails, put my high heels on. It's Saturday and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. I ain't got cash, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby.
just you
Baby,
and
I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.
we got the refugees out here. No fighting. Shakira, Shakira. You know that you can dance like this. She make a man wanna speak Spanish. Como se llama? Bonita. Shakira, Shakira.
Oh, baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad. So be wise and keep on reading the signs of my body. I'm on tonight and my hips don't lie. I'm starting to feel it's right. All the attraction, intention. Don't you see, baby, this is perfection.
Hey girl, I can see your body moving, and it's driving me crazy. And I didn't have the slightest idea until I saw you dancing. And when you walk up on the dance floor, nobody can let it go. The way you move your body, girl, and everything so unexpected. The way you right and left it, so you can keep on shaking it. You know that she can dance like this. She like when that wanna speak Spanish. Shakira, Shakira.
Oh, baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad. So be wise and keep on reading the signs of my body. I'm on tonight and my hips don't play. I'm starting to feel you shine. Come on, let's go real slow. Don't you see that this is perfect? I know I'm on tonight, your hips don't play. I'm starting to feel it's right. All the attraction, intention. Don't you see, baby, this is perfection.
Huge cheers for these.
However, in the blind race of development, we have exploited the mother nature a lot. On my left, we have the boys contenders. And the race has started for the girls. They are picking up seeds, running towards picking up their water cans and ready to pot the plant. So, wow. After this blind race of development, this is a very beautiful race of preserving. मेरे 20 तो रह गए. Okay, now it's time to pick up the water can and placing the seeds, watering it, and go back. छेती करो पादी, छेती करो. बस. मेरी रेस नहीं जीते तो क्या हुआ, कम से कम पेड़ तो लगाया. और अब रेस शुरू. क्या बात है, क्या फुर्ती है, गजब की फुर्ती.
This is the one. Now is the time. Don't ever stop. Push it along. Gotta be strong. Push it along. Right to the top. The feeling in your soul is gonna take control. Nothing can hold you back if you really want it. I see it in your eyes. You want the cup of life. Now that the day's here, gotta go again. It's still time. It's here, it's now. Turn up the lights. Push it along and let it go. Push it along. Go, go, go. And when you feel the heat, the world is at your feet. No one can hold you down if you really want it. Just do your destiny right from the hands of fate. Reach for the cup of life 'cause your name is on it. Do you really want it?
Wonderful sight of synchronization, energy and teamwork. Ladies and gentlemen, huge clapping.
And one piece of advice. और ये रेस शुरू, चुनौतियों से लड़ने की
कुछ करिए
और आगे बढ़िए। क्या बात है, क्या बात है।
चल सिद्ध बढ़िए डूबे करिए या मरिए हर कोई तो चल सिद्ध बढ़िए।
Here we
और
go.
ये रेस शुरू चुनौतियों से लड़ने की और आगे बढ़ने की। क्या बात है, क्या बात है।
चल सिद्ध बढ़िए
Yeah.
डूबे करिए या मरिए हर कोई तो चल सिद्ध बढ़िए डूबे करिए या मरिए।
बहुत बढ़िया।
कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध बढ़िए डूबे करिए चक्रे हो चक्रा इंडिया चक्रे हो चक्रा।
Here we go. Balancing.
नजाकत और स्पीड दोनों का सम्मिश्रण। क्या बात है।
तेरा तो अंतर है मैदान उड़ना धरती के निशान तेरे सिर खाने हैं चट्टान पहले पहले पूरा आसमान तू पगड़ी बांध दिखा आग मिलखा तू जा जब तू जाग मिलखा
Balancing.
नजाकत और स्पीड दोनों का सम्मिश्रण। क्या बात है।
तेरा तो अंतर है मैदान उड़ना धरती के निशान तेरे सिर खाने हैं चट्टान पहले पहले पूरा आसमान तू पगड़ी बांध दिखा।
Winner was Bhavyanshi Rathod, and in the boys category the third position went to
Ring ring. Here we go. My. See,
सांस में चढ़ा ले हिचकियों में क्या है
with immense effort they are moving ahead. Hopping
क्या
with
बात है, क्या बात है। एक रिंग से दूसरी रिंग, दूसरी से तीसरी, बहुत फुर्ती से। क्या बात है। ये रेस देख के लग रहा है बहुत हो गई पहलवानी, अब होगा दंगल। सस्पेंस, कौन जीतेगा? यहाँ बॉयज में लुक्स लाइक वी हैव अ क्लियर लीडर। गर्ल्स में टफ कंपटीशन। वाओ, वेरी गुड। एंड नाउ वी हैव अ लीडर इन द गर्ल्स एज वेल। And yes, we have a winner in both the boys and girls category. What a race it was. Ring, ring. अच्छी चीज ये है कि बच्चे अपनी रेस पूरी कर रहे हैं। हार जीत लगी रहती है, लेकिन रेस पूरी करना बहुत जरूरी। और वही डिस्कस थर्ड पोजीशन राधिका सुमन, सेकंड अजरा खान and first Moksha Joshi. Congratulations to all the winners. Where the wooden sticks are simulated as swords. This art derived.
ਸ਼ਾਨਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀਆਂ ਉੱਚੀਆਂ ਸੋਚੀਆਂ ਜੀ ਰਹਿਓ ਬਖਸ਼ਦੇ ਪੰਨ ਸਦਾ ਖਾਲਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਵੈਰੀ ਖੰਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਡਾ ਦਈਏ ਦੁਨੀਆਂ ਜੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਹੁਕਮਾਂ ਦੇ ਬੰਦੀਆਂ ਸ਼ਹਿਨਸ਼ਾਹੋ ਰੱਖੀਏ ਫਿਕਰਾਂ ਕਦੇ ਨਾ ਉੱਠੀਏ ਜੀ ਦਲੇਰ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਰਣ ਵਿੱਚ ਸ਼ੂਕਦਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਰਨ ਹੋਣ ਇਹ ਲੰਡੀਆਂ ਬੁੱਢੀਆਂ ਜੀ
Beautiful dance performance from Punjab. Amazing.
Skipping is a popular playground activity. Offers numerous benefits for children as well as for adults.
Chaurasia. For the second position, we have a tie. Chitransh Garg and Adyan Garg. DPS की छोरियां छोरों से कम है क्या? वाओ! क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Okay, now to this beautiful set of couples. You have shared so much in your life, and now see how much coordination you have between you. प्राण जाए पर बलून न जाए. क्या बात है. संतुलन वैवाहिक जीवन का आज स्पोर्ट्स के ग्राउंड पे. अरे वाह, क्या बात है, क्या बात है. अरे अरे वाह, क्या बात है, क्या बात है. अरे और ये बेहतरीन. आपने ऑक्टोपस को पानी में देखा होगा, आज ऑक्टोपस जमीन पर. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. बहुत बहुत खूब, बहुत खूब. और ग्रीन हाउस. जल्दी अंदर टीम बनाओ, टीम बनाओ, टीम बनाओ. और ये Random race.
जागोगे अब तीन रंग से सजा है ये आसमां।
जागोगे अब तीन रंग से सजा है ये आसमां।
देश धुन गा रही है पवन।
राग देश धूम गा रही है पवन। ठहर के बोले समय
अमर है देश में।
सीने विच नचदी आरज़ू रुक न जरा तू राह तुझसे रूबरू। थोड़ा सा तू रख सबर थोड़ी कर चल बाजियां मंजिलों पे रख नजर सफर लंबा है। ओ तेज की चाल चल रहा बन के तू आग जल रहा सांस में आधिया लिए खून तेरा उबल रहा। ये समानों में शोर है तेरे हाथों में जोर है इम्तिहानों की नोक में हौसलों से संभल रहा।
क्या बात है, क्या बात है। क्या रेस है। ऐसा तो लाइफ में आपने तो इस टाइम भागता है, पुलिस का केस हो या ओलंपिक की रेस हो, लेकिन यहाँ डेफिनेटली रेस है और रेस में जीतने वाले तैयार। क्या रेस है, बहुत खूब। ये रेस पूरी हुई, जोरदार तालियां सभी प्लीज।
Set.
क्या रेस है, ऐसा तो लाइफ में आदमी कोई टाइम भागता है, पुलिस का केस हो या ओलंपिक की रेस हो, लेकिन यहाँ डेफिनेटली रेस है और रेस में जीतने वाले तैयार। क्या रेस है, बहुत खूब।
मैम पीछे मैम, मैम
और
Class 9 boys. Here we go.
मिस्ड, वाओ, ब्यूटीफुल, क्लियर, वाओ, परफेक्ट एग्जाम्पल। Wow, luck by chance, but made it. Yes, that's another time. Wow, made it. Wow, cleared it with ease. Yes, what a grace. Yes, great. Oh wow, cleared it. Yes. Oh wow, beautiful display. Everybody. Oh yes, no challenge is big enough for our students. Oh yes. Oh, miss it this time. But oh yes, cleared it. Wow. Yes, lovely. Now the bar is going to oh yes. Oh yes, cleared it. Lovely technique. Yes, with ease. क्या बात है, बहुत खूब। Oh yes, lovely. Can you do it again? Oh yes, he does it. And lovely movement. And clear. Oh. Clears it.
आज
जा, साइड हो जा, साइड हो जा।
रुक न जरा न तू, राह तुझसे रूबरू, मंजिलों पे रख नजर, सफर लंबा है, खून तेरा उबल रहा, ये ज़मानों में शोर है, तेरे हाथों में जोर है, इम्तिहानों की नोक पे हौसलों से संभल रहा।
Does it or not? And he leaps and he does it. Bravo! And now the finals for this race. Oh, he misses it. Can I do it? Let's see. Wow! He does it, and he does it in style. Beach Cradle Heights. और ये शुरू हो गई बात।
और अतुल्य इतिहास, शास्त्रों के मूल सिद्धांतों से समावेशी संविधान तक, शून्य के आविष्कार से डिजिटल विश्व में व्यापक छलांगे, पंचांगों के खगोलीय गणित से चंद्रयान की सफलता, दुनिया के कॉर्पोरेट क्षेत्र में भारतीयों का सम्मानजनक रुतबा, विश्व शक्ति की डगर पर बढ़ते कदम, ये परिणाम है देश हित को समर्पित सोच का, सधे हुए सन्निष्ठ नेतृत्व का, कर्मयोग के कार्यान्वयन का। ये है संकल्प से सिद्धि।
Get 'em, ducky, da 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 da.
Wow! Atulya Bharat, incredible India. And to this beautiful sports day, what a wonderful color.
Clapping for the wonderful performers. What a thunderous clapping for the wonderful performers. What a brilliant and colorful sight. His parents to kindly hold back for some more time.
They have all. Can we have clap, please? I know.
Jain second, Kashi Jain first.
Give me freedom, give me fire, all around us, sing whatever you're.
Wow, the blue is medal. And why not? Various challenges.
Second, and the winner of first position, Advik Maheshwari, Greenhouse, HKGB.
I will be stronger, they'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. Get older, I will be stronger,
Obstacle balance race, boys, Garvit, third position.
our heads are lifted, as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us, every nation, all
Priti Sudhar, third. And now,
I will be stronger, they'll call me freedom.
on second position, Moksha, first position.
We all say when I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. Get older, I will be strong.
So the whole world can hear, the whole world can hear. Sing something louder. It's clear wherever you are. This is your moment, your time to run like the wind.
And now,
Dream big, dream big. The whole world can hear, the whole world can
now we will be having the hurdle race winners.
Like it, Hori.
Now, the let
sing something louder. Yeah, the whole world can hear. Sing something louder. So the whole world can hear. The whole
please stay back with us for the felicitation. जो winners है, parent Alia Ranjan second, Anya Raghav third. Third position, Smeet Kumar Jain. Second position, Tanvi. To be in a standby position. Congratulations to Mr. and Mrs.
What do you do?
Receive the trophy from our Chief Mentor and Director, Honorable Pramod Kumar Bansal sir.